In the early days of television, most of us had a choice between 3 or 4, if you were lucky, channels. And in the late 80s, early 90s, that went from 3 to 300 and now 3,000. One of the biggest problems that we experience or I do anyway, in trying to find quality entertainment is, sure, you can look up in the IMDb database or something like that, what is the best movie, but you don't know whether that movie is available on the services that you have access to. I used to use an application called Yidio. Now I have found a replacement that is really awesome, and it's called Reelgood. That's spelled R-E-E-L good, Reelgood. And it's available in all of the major app stores. One of the first things you want to do, I forget what the onboarding process is like for a new account, but one of the first things that you want to do is to go in and edit the services to which you have access. So here in my application, these are all the things that I can see at no cost or for which I have already paid. Okay? Once I've done that, then I can go into Discover, and I could search for a particular movie that I want to see, or a cast, like for example, I want to see all the Keanu Reeves movies that are available in the systems or platforms to which I have access. And then I could go and I could sort those, for example, by, which ones are best according to the IMDb, something along those lines. Another thing that I can do, and this is the one that is most valuable to me, is I can look at entertainment that has been recently added to services in the past 45 days. And I can look by genre. So let's say I want to find history movies that have just appeared in the past 45 days. And I want to sort those according to which ones are the best according to Rotten Tomatoes, or which ones are the best according to IMDb, or which ones are the best, which ones are the best according to the Reelgood score. And then I could, from that point, I can also filter. I can say, which ones do I want to give more credence, something along those lines. I can set those scores. But this has been invaluable in finding things. That moment when you say, let's look for something good, and not having to scroll through all these services, but instead be able to find something that you haven't seen yet, and quickly go to that and start watching. So give the app a try. Reelgood. I think you'll like it.